this hose is going in just the one button at the back,
Okay.
and the one end is going into the cold water.
Yeah, so do you need both cold and hot in this? Or just
There's
only?
no hot water. You didn't buy the one with the hot water.
Okay.
You only buy the one with this one hose. There's
okay.
only cold water.
Cold water, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Done. You just connect that one and connect that one to the power point, and that's it. It's very simple. Done. It's good to
Very
go.
simple. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it, right? And that's the
That
outlet,
waste
right?
hose.
Yeah.
It's right there. Already
All
got
right,
it
good.
straight
Yeah,
in,
straight in. Okay. This is the review of higher HW75AW2 model. This is a fully automatic front-loading washing machine. If you look into this, there are different options. I like especially the express wash, daily wash, and hand wash. But also an LED display where we can set up temperature, spin, and the extra rinse capabilities. We open the laundry compartment. Got the powder tray, the detergent liquid, and the additional. It looks a little bit cheap, but it's okay. Solves the purpose. Fast means it's just 1 hour. We go for the express wash, which is 10 minutes. The daily wash looks good. With the temperature settings, you can set it to 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 20, 30 seems appropriate. Spin can be adjusted, 1200 revolutions per minute, or the 400, which is be very low. The ideal speed would be probably, I'll keep it 1000. Extra runs and delay, this is something to do with how many hours later do you want the machine to run. So I'm just going to run it now. Just hit the start button. Yeah, there you go.